Hey YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Young Miami, and I'm back with another video. Hey y'all, it's Roby, and I'm back with another video. So in today I'm showing y'all how I got this cute Valentine's Day look. Like, I believe it's very beginner friendly because I'm not a moi, so I do what I can, and then a lot of what I used today was drugstore, so it's very affordable as well. But I won't talk long. I hope somebody try out this look. If you do, please let me know, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel while you're here. If you like to see how I got this look, how I achieved this look, then just keep on watching. Taking my Maybelline concealer in the color medium to prime my eye. I'm gonna set that with my black Opal setting powder in the color medium. The first color I'm taking is out of my NYX Ultimate palette, and I'm going to take this hot pink color, the first row second color, and I'm going to put that into my crease. And next I'm going to take this coral color, second row third color. Using the same brush, I'm going to apply that right on top of that hot pink color. Next, I'm going to cut my crease with the same Maybelline concealer. And I'm just going to use the wand because it doesn't have to be perfect. And I'm going to bring the cut all the way out, like basically trace my eyeball. I don't know what else to say. Set that with the same black Opal setting powder. Okay, I'm still in the NYX Ultimate palette, and I'm going to take this dark purple right here, second row first color, and apply that right on top of my lid. Next, I'm going into my Too Faced Naturally Matte palette, and I'm going to take xoxo, which is up here in the corner, and use an angled brush and apply that right in my crease. Then I'm going to use a detailed tapered brush and blend it out. For my brow bone color, I'm still in the Naturally Matte palette, and I'm going to take honey butter and apply that to my brow. And I'm also going to bring it down just a tad bit so it can blend with the pink. Next, I'm going into my Maybelline Soda Pop palette, and I'm going to take Soda Fizz and apply that right on top of the purple, on top of my lid. Moving on to face, I'm going to first moisturize my face using this Pod's dry face cream. Priming my face using my Maybelline Baby Skin. My foundation of choice today is the Maybelline Superstay foundation, and I'm using the color 355 Coconuts. For concealer, I'm using my Holy Grail LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Toffee. I'm going to set that with my black Opal setting powder in the color medium. Next, I'm going to contour using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit in the color medium, and I'm going to take chocolate right here in the middle. I'm going to set that with my City Colors Contour Effects palette. I'm going to take my blush from Lottie London in the color Zack. I mentioned this in my Holiday Glam. Trying to see if I want to highlight them. Of course I do. For a highlighter, I'm going to take my Becca Cosmetics-Champagne Pop. While my lash glue is while my lash glue is drying, I'm going to apply some mascara, and I'm using the Rimmel London Extra Super Lash. I'm going to apply that to my top lashes only. And then I'm going to go back in with that coral and that hot pink color and apply that to my bottom lash line. But before I do that, I'm going to apply some eyeliner. This is the Rimmel London eyeliner. Now I'm going to apply that same mascara to my bottom lash. For my inner tear duct color, I'm going to go into my Bombshell palette, and I'm going to take this bright pink color and apply that to my inner tear duct. And now for lips, I'm going to take my NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the color Transylvania, and I'm going to put that on the perimeter of my lips. And then for the center, I'm going to take my Kat Von D liquid lipstick in the color BAUHAU5. I don't know. It's this real cute fuchsia purple color. Lastly, I'm going to spray my face with my NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray. And this is the finished look. I hope you all enjoyed it, and I will see y'all in my next video.